Hey guys, which form is this? Yes, you are right. This is liquid form. And tell me which form is this? Yeah, you are right. It's solid. And you are right. Another form is gas. Wait. Here I am not teach you about states of matters. Here we do make some magical liquid that's OObleck. Let's start experiment 3. How to make OObleck. We need cup, food color, measuring cylinder, spatula, cornstarch, water. Let's start. Add 7-8 scoops of cornstarch to the cup. Add 5 ml water to the cup. Then add 2 drops of blue color to the cup. And mix well till the water is completely mixed. Look here. You tap it with the spatula, it would feel like a solid. When you put your fingers inside it, it would feel liquid. Wow, I like this magic. Now your OObleck is ready. Let's talk about science behind this. OObleck does not fall under the category of solid or liquids. It is a non-Newtonian fluid. It acts as a liquid until you apply pressure, then it acts like a solid. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe.